Hi, my name is Treja. Welcome to PL SQL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about PL SQL Nested Tables, and we will find out throughout this tutorial a definition of nested table, compare with VArray, and live example. Compare with VArray. Very similar with VArrays, key value pairs, but in VArray use index. Store 2 GB at most, but in VArray fixed size. Allow delete operation, but delete not possible in VArray. Nested table are unbounded, but in VArray is bound and fixed size. Scenario 1. Inserting value to a nested table by a string. Let's see. In the declaration section, we can see the type ETList is table type, and its type is versa 2 and 100, and the ET list is initialized in the line 7. Inside the begin and end, we see the loop which can be continue 1 to 100, and the loop inside the loop actually. So here we use the entitylist.extend, and the last one is entitylist, and here I is the index value of entitylist, which is the table type object. So here is the data which can be assigned to that index. And last one is the printing records. Here we can see the loop and dbms output line. This is the extracting option of entitylist k. So if we execute this snippet, here we can see the populated data. Now we will see another example of inserting value to a nested table from table. So this is the select statement actually. Inside the begin and end block, here we just see the select statement, and here we use the table employees and where clause employee ID, and here we can see the value from last name populated to enter list. So here you use the table, and this one is the extracting value and to print dbms output line. So if we execute this one, here we can see the results. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.